This video provides a few navigational tips on how to start an application for admission at UGA Graduate School for any of the online certificate and degree programs. To begin your application for admission, please begin by clicking on the link to the graduate admissions application. If you are a first-time user, then click on the Create an Account link to begin entering your demographic information, and then click Continue. You'll receive an email with a temporary PIN to log into your account. Enter the temporary PIN that was emailed, and then click on Login. You'll create your password for your application account, then click on Set Password. Now click on the Start a New Application link. Next, select the application type and select the academic year and semester start for your intended program of study. If you wanted to begin a program in the fall of 2021, then select the 2021 to 2022 option. Then click Create an Application. Review the information for the selected application. Then select Open Application. Now you begin the process of selecting your program of study. The first selection you make is to select the campus. From the drop-down menu, select Online. Now you will select the intended program of study. Click on the drop-down list to reveal all the online programs. Scroll through the list to find your program. The list displays the degree, major, department, and program code. In this example, we're searching for the Masters in Learning, Leadership, and Organizational Development. Scroll down to find the MED, Learning, Leadership, and Organizational Development program. Select the intended term that you wish to begin. The graduate admission system will display the next available term of enrollment for the program. The system will only display terms if the application deadline has not passed. And then click Continue. Continue with the rest of the application. Review, submit, and pay the application fee. If you encounter any issues with the application process, please contact Graduate Admissions by email or phone.